Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2002 L Series. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. The Saturn L Series is the 4-door mid-size sedan offered by Saturn Corporation. The L Series is a nice mix of interior cabin space and rear cargo ability. Whether running to work or out for the weekend with the family, the L Series will move you with comfort and reliability. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.